In today's video, I will walk you through how to download a watch list on investing.com. Managing your favorite assets is easy, but exporting that data for offline analysis or backup is where things get really powerful. Today, we're breaking down how to quickly download and export your custom watch lists from investing.com. Let's jump in. To get started, log into your investing.com account and navigate to your Portfolios or Watch Lists page. Select the specific watch list you want to download from your list. Once the table loaded with your custom assets appears, look for the three-dot icon, typically located near the top right corner of the portfolio table. Click on the Download option. Then a new window will appear giving you options how you want to download your file. You can choose All Tabs and Columns Available, All Tabs and Columns Selected, or Current View. Select from the options and tap the Download button. Investing.com will instantly package your watch list data, including ticker symbols, current prices, daily change metrics, and volume into a CSV spreadsheet format. After the download finishes, locate the file in your device's default Downloads folder, or the folder you selected during the download process. Open the file to verify that it contains the watch list information you expected. From there, you can organize the data, create your own reports, or save a backup copy for future reference. If you regularly update your watch list, you can repeat the export process whenever you need the latest version. Keeping a downloaded copy of your watch list can be useful if you want to review your tracked assets offline, archive your lists over time, or use the data alongside other financial information. And that's how to download a watch list on investing.com. Exporting your watch list gives you a convenient copy of the assets you're tracking, making it easier to organize and review your market data whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.